How to say to go in French. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you the verb aller. Aller, which is to go in English. If you have watched some other videos that I have made, you will see a video, I just put it here, with the verb in ER. Aller, when it's not conjugated, aller, which means to go, it's a verb in ER. But this verb, it's completely irregular, so we're not gonna follow the same pattern as the verb, for example, parler, marcher, profiter, to enjoy, aimer, to like. So we won't use the same pattern. C'est parti. Je, always, remember, je and not j'ai. Je vais. Je vais. Tu vas. Tu vas. Il va. Il va. Elle va. Donc je vais, I go, and the S is silence. Tu vas, the S is also silence. Tu vas, you go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. Nous allons. Nous allons. Nous allons. And as you can see, the liaison is really important. We connect. We won't say nous allons. Nous allons. S silence. We go. Vous allez. Vous allez. You go. And you go as in one person formal or two people, more than two people, formal or informal. Vous allez. Vous allez. Not vous allez. Non. Allez. Ils vont. Really nasal. Ils vont. Elles vont. Ils vont. Elles vont. They go. Like they go male version and female version. Elles vont. So if I repeat, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now I'm gonna give you some example. Je vais à la piscine. Je vais à la piscine. I go or I'm going to the swimming pool. Je vais à la piscine. Another example, we go to the coffee. Nous allons au café. Nous allons au café. And here also, if you know that, so we will say like nous, but we also can use on. On is exactly the same meaning as nous. It's just that when we speak in French, it's really common, is more common than nous. We go to the coffee, we can say, donc, nous allons au café, or we have the on va au café. The only thing is the on. You need to conjugate with the same line. I will say that il and elle, singular. Even if it's is referring to something plural, because nous will be more than one person. So we go to the coffee. On va au café. On va au café. Or nous allons au café. And the last example, mes sœurs vont à l'école. Mes sœurs vont à l'école. Or we could say mes sœurs vont à l'école. A bit faster. Tu comprends? Vous comprenez? Do you understand? Mes sœurs vont à l'école. My sisters go to school. My sister go to school. That's it for me for today. I hope it was helpful. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm really happy to help. And I will see you in another video. Remember, practice French every day. Au revoir. Merci.